Now this illustration deals with receptacle outlets, but notice they're in commercial and industrial type locations, occupancies, instead of residential dwellings, 1 and 2 family, or a dwelling units that are in an apartment complex. Now, notice we have receptacles, incandescent lighting, and fluorescent lighting that are connected to this 20 amp branch circuit. And the conductors are number 12, 20 amp rated. We have 8 plugs, non-continuous. We have 1.5 amp each. We have floor lamps, we have computers, we have televisions, things that are just one TV, but they're connected in to this circuit, making it a combination. So we have to look at the loads that we have. We have luminaires at 6.4 amps continuous. And everything is cord and plug connected except the lighting, the luminaires, and they're fixed wiring. Now, the lights, we would apply 210.19A 1A and 210.20A. One's for conductors, 210.19A 1A, and 210.20A for the overcurrent device. So 125% of 6.4 continuous amps, is 8 amps. The receptacles, 220.14 L and 210.19A1A, as well as 210.20A, we would have 8 times 1.5 amp per outlet times 100%, because it's a non-continuous load. We come up with 12 amp. Adding those loads together, we come up with a 20 amp rated overcurrent device on number 12 wire in accordance with 240.4D as in dog. So this illustration is showing the procedure for receptacle outlets connected with other loads on a branch circuit in accordance with this figure 14-25, based upon continuous and non-continuous loaded receptacles and lighting.